Hello developers, myself Divansh Gupta, and I am the user of Envato Market, and I am the customer since a year ago. My username is Divansh 10. This just to authenticate myself as a legal customer. So my concern is that I buy a template and my military service WordPress theme from my account, from my this account, and I also have the purchase code which you can also rectify from your own end. So I got major problems regarding to this template. I already mentioned some of the support ticket to the MW templates content creator, and this is the URL of the content creator, and these are the support tickets. So this is the first issue, and this is the major issue, not a minor. It's a major. So I just open this ticket. You can also check on your dashboard. So I just opened this ticket and I already opened that in my next step. So here is the ticket. Here is the some of the inquiries, some of the problems I got. So first thing is website unable to show any WooCommerce payment gateway after installed successfully. So here I just mentioned that neither a default payment gateway nor a third party payment gateway is showing on the checkout page. Now this is the website. This is the domain name indian.army. I just uploaded this theme. So here when somebody got some items in his or her cart, then whenever they go to the checkout, there is no payment gateway shows. Only this page, this blank page shows. Neither WooCommerce default payment methods and nor third party payment gateways. So I just mentioned it earlier, and these are the panel, and this is a panel. This is a dashboard, WordPress admin of this site. Here I already just wait a minute, it's just open, it takes time. I already check out these some of the payments like direct transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, PayPal, but it doesn't show on the checkout page. So I already mentioned here, first thing, and second, cart icons shows nothing or blank. Now this is the third thing. There is nothing when you go on the checkout page. When you are going in the process of the checkout page, after giving a blank template on the checkout page for the payment transaction or for some WooCommerce payment gateways, now there is nothing, but it shows one. So there is a major bug. I already mentioned this is a major bug. Cart icon shows nothing or blank. Now coming to the third point, also cart can't be updated when there were any quantity reduced. If we add some of the items in the cart, for example, if we add some of the items in the cart, here I do it for you, just taking some time. I just add some of the items in the cart. For example, this t-shirt, select this t-shirt, take some time, open, choose an option. For example, I just want a small size of this t-shirt and press add to cart button. It shows here that there are two items. One is the one in which it doesn't show any of the things, and second is the recent one. So I just press view cart. Now on view cart, there are two items, as you see, Baladan and whatever, Bhagat Singh and whatever. So I just cancel. I just want to remove this item from my cart. Already removed, but here one thing, neither the money is reduced from the cart totals, and after pressing refresh button, nor the t-shirt which we remove from here is reduced from all over the cart total. So these are the major issues. Hope so. It just come from my domain end, or from my uploading or from my processing some of my code. Hope so there is some of the fluctuation or bugging in code, but when I go with the demo of this template from the theme forest, it also shows the same here. So this is the demo, this is the theme of Arma, which was already uploaded on theme forest. You just see here web design Arma, it's already uploaded on the theme forest or Envato market, where we just say demo services or demo of this theme. When we go with this error, we also encounter this type of problem here. So this is the theme which is on the editors or editorial panel of Envato. I just removed this item, for example this Airsoft pistol CZ whatever, and you just see there is a total of $18. Okay, and okay, just press a cross button. The major issue is that so when we refresh, it just shows nothing, and after that it will already come in my cart. That's the major issue. Not on my site, it's also on this editorial panel too. So this is a major bug. I don't think it's a very satisfactory for any customer who buys or who will go as a customer on my panel. So I don't think so it's very satisfactory. So I just want to raise these type of issue here. So when I do that, website unable to show any WooCommerce payment, I got a reply from the editor Andre. He just saying there is a third party payment. I am not possible to fix this. I just say it's okay. You just go with the default payment gateways, because website doesn't show any default payment gateways. Like I already integrate here, like direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, PayPal, and whatever. So I just raise, and I when I encounter these type of things consecutively, I just say just focus on the default payment gateway. I'm already mentioned it here. Yeah, that's my ticket. I already gave my username and WordPress and whatever. Have a look. It didn't show any payment plugin including WooCommerce default plugin 2. So I already mentioned here. After he just giving me an excuse of third party payment gateway. So I already do that here. So after that Andre replied, please give me sure I can perform anything and whatever, and then he just say you just turn off some of the plugins. I already turned off this type of plugin from here. He just say, hello Divan, the reason of this was a WP Super Cache plugin. So I already turned off it, and here I already turned off it. WP Super Cache is already turned off, but it shows the same. There is no payment gateway, there is no default payment gateway shows on the checkout page. He also know, but I don't think so why he just neglect my my comments, and why he didn't review anything. And I already say still not rectified, same issue. Kindly go with the screenshots. I already attached the screenshots. So this is my still no payment gateway shows, and I also mentioned neither cash on delivery nor PayPal nor any default gateway. I'm not focusing on the third party gateway. I know there will be the issue, and these are the screenshots in my support ticket. You can also go with that. And I just reply yeah, and whatever the payment third party, he is also focusing the third party, why it affect the WooCommerce. He didn't mention why their default WooCommerce default gateways is not shown on the checkout page. He didn't mention here. He just saying third party. I'm not sure that why he is just neglecting this. After that, I'm focusing on I'm focusing on the third party. No, I'm not focusing on the third party payment. I just say why it didn't show default payment gateway of WooCommerce. I don't want PayU. I just want default payment gateway of WooCommerce. So hello, go to the WooCommerce setting and he just say you can go to the WooCommerce setting and just attaching and whatever. This type of things was also already done it earlier from my end. After that, I say if you rectify this issue, you can just give me the next screenshot, default payment screenshot on the checkout page. I mean this page. After you are doing this, you can give me on this page. So these are my issues, and I don't think so it will be rectified from the editor's end or not. This is the first issue. Now coming to the second issue, cart icon showing nothing or blank. I think I already tell you earlier. And the third thing, also cart can be updated. So the first issue is not solved yet, and the second issue is also not solved, and the third issue is I think it's on your panel too. So I don't know when it will be rectified. So please provide me the reason and please provide me the solution of that, because I think my support is also end, and I already spent too much of time on this. So if you don't have any of the solution for this type of theme, so kindly please refund my amount, or you can also adjust my amount in the next template which I buy instead of this. I think it's a very problem and very problematic too. So thanks, these are my issues. I just I paste this issue in YouTube so that you can also capture this type of error and capture this type of support from the editors end too. Thanks for your help. If you just do anything for me, thanks.